Hello everybody, this is me Savina and welcome to my channel Savi for Wonderland. Today we are going to do a review on Maybelline Baby Lips Alia Loves New York. This is a limited edition, so let's get started. So as you notice, I don't have any lipstick on my lips. That's because I wanted to do a demo of this. That's why I didn't apply any lipstick. I didn't apply any lipstick. So let's talk about this. This comes in 4 different shades. The shade which I have is Manhattan Mauve, and it comes, the other 3 are Broadway Red, Brooklyn Bronze, and Highline Wine. I didn't find these 3 in the shop. I just found this one. This one was only available, and I find myself lucky because I've seen the review of this product, and out of the 4, this one stands good. It has SPF 20 and it has 16 hours of protection, and it is only 175 rupees. Alright, it is worth buying this because it is a little tiny thing you can carry anywhere. You can even keep it in your pocket, or you can even keep in your purse, and even your mobile pouch is that sleek. Alright, I have already opened this product because I wanted to use and give you my review on it. So it comes in this packaging, which you have to tear this paper out here, and it has a metallic look, sleek one, and it has the initial of Alia NY New York. It has the New York logo also. So it's very easy to use. It's just like, and the best thing of this is, what am I saying, it's very easy to use, but obviously everybody knows it's very easy to use. The best part about this is, if you carry this with you, like for like, you know, you are having this in your bag and you forget your lipstick, this is the best option if you don't have your lipstick with you, because it has a beautiful color. It stays for long, but yes, I can say it will not stay for that long, because if you are, you know, going for a lunch or a dinner and you have some coffee or you have some cold drinks and all, this will definitely fade and you have to give a retouch. Yes, you have to give a retouch. It is a little glossy, so yes, obviously you will have the lipstick, or this, you can, I call it a lipstick only because you have the stain of your lips on the cup. Alright, so I've done a lot of talking. Now let's apply this and I'll show you. Alright, so if you apply this just once, it will give you a light look, like so. Okay, see, this, if you want to apply, you can apply when you're going to bed. Morning when you will get up, your lips will be very soft because it has good amount of moisturizing in this. And if you're going out, you can give a double stroke, just like this. Yes, I really like the color of this. This is, you know, you cannot compare these both together. I have this one also. This my mom has purchased it, but I wanted to get this because I wanted to give a review on this, and I was left out with only one product. I mean, there are 4 shades of this, but I got this one only. This is you know, it has the color of my lips, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing anything. It just gives a glossy look for it, but this definitely, it gives a good color. I really like the color of this. Alright, I'm talking about you know, I said, like, if you are out and you are having coffee or something, so I'll give you a demo. I'm not having coffee though, just juice. See, you can see, but the best part about it is, it still has this glossy thing. But then if you are eating very heavy and all, but obviously you have to give a retouch for it. The bad thing about this is like the more you give a retouch for it, and like by the end of the day, it's all dried on it literally sits on your lip. It looks like it gives a bad purplish color for it. So like because we have continuously applying it and all. So if you are among them who are suffering from dry lips, so welcome to the club, because I also suffer from dry lips, and winter is here, so this is the best thing to in hand. I have also come across a DIY which helps in for dry lips. What you can do is, before applying this, before going out, after brushing your teeth morning, but obviously you'll brush your teeth only, take 1 spoon of olive oil, 1 spoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them together and make them into a paste. Like it's just like a scrub. You can either use your finger or you can use your toothbrush. Don't use the toothbrush because the um, what do you say, the olive oil will make your brush a little greasy. But if you have a old toothbrush, then it's well good. You can use your old toothbrush, and you can give a slight scrub in that, and then take a paper towel and dab your lips. Don't rub your lips, dab your lips. And you can see the dry skin which comes out. You can take the end of your towel and slowly rub the dead skin off of it. Then you can apply this. And if you want to clean that brush of yours, the toothbrush, just in lukewarm water, in lukewarm water, just keep your brush and it's clean. That was a good DIY, see, thanks to me. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching this, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so this was it about the video. This was about my review. I give this a 4 out of 5. I'm not giving it a 5 because it does not last for 16 hours. It does, but not for 16 hours. But it is worth buying. 175. You can give it a try. This is a limited edition. If this color suits me, I cannot tell you it can suit your skin also, because as far as I've seen the reviews, I found this one stands first than the other one. So you can give this a try. This is really good, and it has a fruity flavor in it. So if you are a fan of strawberry or raspberries, this is a must to have with you. So that's a lot of talking, and I am going. Yes, I am going. Don't forget to watch my last video out here. You can even subscribe to my second channel, which is a cooking video channel. I upload all my cooking videos in that, because I had a lot of cooking videos in this channel too, but it was like having a lot of stuff going on, so I divided into two. You can show some love in that channel also. Yes, bus, this is enough. I am going. Alright, this is Savina signing off. Bye bye.